Today we're diving into a common but often overlooked problem in the world of databases: bad data and dirty databases. What are they, why do they matter, and how can they cause chaos? Let's find out. Imagine a database that consists of a lot of customers. You've got names, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, hashed passwords, order histories, and other information. Oftentimes, this data gets messy after a period of time. Messy and bad data can come in many forms: typos, duplicates, inconsistent formats, or even rows containing outdated information. And when this bad data reaches your application, it leads to dirty databases. Duplicates, like 2 entries of the same information for the same customer, can mess up analytics. Misspelled names or inconsistent date formats can cause errors in processing, and outdated information, depending on the project in question, can waste your time or be outright dangerous. Often this happens due to poor data entry processes, lack of input validation, improper database structure, or just neglecting data hygiene. This chaos can lead to wrong business decisions, lost revenue, or even legal issues. Nobody wants that. So how do you keep your database clean? Here are a few quick tips. Implement input and data validation at entry points. Use constraints, checks, and validation rules at the database level to prevent incorrect data entry. Parse and clean your data before importing it into a database. Consider using deduplication tools or specific deduplication commands like unique. Normalize your database schemas to reduce redundancies and improve data integrity. Enforce consistent and meaningful data formats for dates, phone numbers, email addresses, and other fields. Limit user access to data and always keep and test backups before making any changes to it. Finally, if you have a team, train team members on proper data entry practices. Remember, a clean database means better insights, happier customers, and smoother operations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more data tips.